One of my favorite things about cooking is chopping and slicing. There's something so satisfying about the geometry of it all. But when you're cutting tons of cherry tomatoes or grapes, it can get a little bit tedious. That's why I created the Slice X. Now I look forward to cutting cherry tomatoes, grapes, whatever. Any excuse is a good excuse to cut small round fruit now. Here's how it works. Pour in your fruit of choice. Slice them perfectly in half in one easy motion. Empty, and repeat. It's that simple. Slice X is so easy to use. But don't take my word for it. See what other people are saying about Slice X.
Slice X makes it easy to cut cherry tomatoes and grapes along the core, just like we do it here.
I've cut thousands of grapes for my girls, and I'm about to start again. Anything that makes food safer for them and makes life easier for me is a good thing.
The two-part design makes Slice X super compact, so it fits just about anywhere.
We've tested numerous prototypes, and we finally feel as though we've balanced form, function, and manufacturability in a way worthy of your kitchen countertop.
And the material that we've used is the same recyclable material that's used in professional-grade cutting boards. What's nice about that is it's easy on your knives.
Will it bring a smile and a sense of satisfaction to you and your friends who love to cook? I think it will. I want you to experience a whole new joy preparing delicious food for your family. Take advantage of our early bird offer and order a Slice X today. And consider ordering one for your friends and family.